आज प्रधान अध्यापक का मिलन समारोह और शिक्षा की समाज को बदलते और देश की स्थिति को बदलते, क्या कहिएगा नए समाज में?
शिक्षक ही समाज का आईना होता है, क्योंकि शिक्षक ग्रास रूट पर जुड़ा हो जाता है। गांव में, कस्बा में, शहर में, हर जगह शिक्षक जुड़े रहते हैं। एक बुद्धिजीवी वर्ग में शिक्षक को ही माना जाता है। और हम लोगों को प्रधान शिक्षकों को ऐसे नौनिहाल बच्चों को दिया गया है जिसको हम लोग को भविष्य को संभालना है। सो आई एश्योर द प्रेजेंट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ बिहार दैट वी विल डू आवर लेवल बेस्ट and we will teach them and we will make a civilized person in our society. We can give them a civilized society, and I assure the present government too, and I express my thanks to the present Chief Minister of Bihar, Mr. Nitish Kumar ji, and the Education Minister of Bihar, Sunil Kumar ji, and present ACS S. Siddharth ji, that they have appointed us for their for a good reason and for a specific staff, and we will try our level best to do such things.
You should be many facilities. This government is the education system of Bihar education. Can you remove the change the new idea policy of education?
I think completely not, but as far as I am concerned, that 2020 education policy is fit for this situation. In coming days, if government is trying to implement that policy in our society, in our school, that will be more fruitful. A little improvement is required. Infrastructure, I will say that infrastructure of present scenario of the school, that is required. We can just take example of Delhi government, Delhi schools, and from there we can just learn it, and all requirement is available, but we have to implement that thing, and government and the SES is active to do such thing, and we have capacity and ability to do such thing.
This time is the differences education policy, private and sarkari school.
Yes.
Sarkari school the more less than the IT and medical is a crack that. You are can change the government school is a new invention idea is your can tackle the examination IT and the medicals and other exams.
Why not? You can easily imagine that in earlier days there was only government school, and from that period all scholars, IITian medicals, doctors, even the IS, they used to come from the government school. Today in present scenario, if government want that I have to just make the best school of our society, of our state, government can give and trust us, and they can give infrastructure to us, and we will just provide all these things, and we can treat them as a best student. We can give them best student in our society, in our state.
Your identity name?
My name is Nagendra Singh from Bhojpur, Ara.